Mama took me to the candy shop, the one off the corner on Mission and Hop, the one that gives you systemic or rustic vibes. Skyscraper high, half candy to buy, chocolate bars and gummy bears, all colors alike. Name brands at the top, shining oh so bright. But Mama said, don't judge by the color of the wrapping, it matters what's inside. So give it a try. She said, not just the ones they tell you to buy. Choose ones that taste so good it makes you wanna cry. So give it a try. And Mama was right. They tell me what to do, tell me how to choose on what's worth my hour. Spend half my money on ones that stay at the top of the tower. Conditioned to look up at flashing lights and the ones in power. From rise to down, all over town I see their hundreds of flyers. So I don't know how to choose. $20 bill in my left side pocket. The bottom shelf, dual luckless points me to the samples. I'll try it. Whole life spent fighting to get a chance, but they bout to expire. Taste the same, smile the same, just not what people admire. Skyscraper high, of candy to buy, chocolate bars and gummy bears, all colors alike. Name brands at the top, shining oh so bright. But Mama said, don't judge by